Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a home remedy for wheat allergy in kids. Wheat allergy is an allergic reaction to foods containing wheat. Allergic reactions can be caused by eating wheat, but also in some cases by inhaling wheat flour. Wheat allergy symptom includes swelling, itching, or irritation of the mouth or throat, itchy rash or swelling of the skin, nasal congestion, headache, difficulty breathing, cramps, nausea or vomiting, and diarrhea. To treat this problem, you will need very simple and easily available ingredients which include carom seed, black cardamom, fennel seed, dry mint. Take all the ingredients in equal quantity, 50 gram of each, grind to make a fine powder and save in a glass jar. Use daily 3 times a day before every meal. Keep using for 21 days. Dosage for 12-year-old kids is half teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon for below 12-year-old kids. Thanks for watching.